What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2006. It's a Nissan Pathfinder, and we're gonna program the RPMs on this truck because they changed the throttle body, and as you can see the RPMs are super high. So we're gonna select our car and I'm gonna select hot functions. We have throttle right here. Gonna wait for it to communicate, and we're gonna put our emergency brake on. We're gonna wait a little bit until it warms up a little bit, until it gets like a halfway. Right now I'm just waiting for it to load. We're gonna select idle air volume relearn, and it tells you a couple steps right here before you even start doing it. It's gonna tell you it needs to be warm a little bit. As you can see, it's warming up. There should be no AC on whatsoever. Ready off, lights off. Any load to the engine must be off. And it says right here, the function it's to make the computer learn the value of the throttle body after replacing or cleaning also the throttle body. Make sure everything's off, lower steering wheel at the center, wheels stop, conditioning off, and everything, all that. So just press OK, and we're gonna put start. It's already executing, and what I have to do is put it in reverse. Okay, it's in reverse and it's executing. By putting it in reverse, we lower the RPMs a little bit, so we just wait until it finishes and it should start working on it. Okay, I can feel it now. It's working. The RPMs are lowering. All right, as you can see, it's already lower and it's still saying executing. Just gonna wait until it finishes, because sometimes it takes a couple minutes to finish. Right, so it looks like everything's good, so I'm just put it in park. After I put it in park, it says complete. So this will be pretty much the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, like, turn on the notifications, comment down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Alright, bye.